Tehillim 29.
A Psalm by David.
Ascribe to Yahuwah, you sons of the mighty. Ascribe to Yahuwah glory and strength. Ascribe to Yahuwah the glory due to his name. Worship Yahuwah in holy array. Yahuwah's voice is on the waters. The Elohim of glory thunders, even Yahuwah on many waters. Yahuwah's voice is powerful. Yahuwah's voice is full of majesty. The voice of Yahuwah breaks the cedars. Yes, Yahuwah breaks in pieces the cedars of Lebanon. He makes them also to skip like a calf. Lebanon and Syrian like a young wild ox. Yahuwah's voice strikes with flashes of lightning. Yahuwah's voice shakes the wilderness. Yahuwah shakes the wilderness of Kadesh. Yahuwah's voice makes the deer calve and strips the forests bare. In his temple everything says, Glory. Yahuwah sat enthroned at the flood. Yes, Yahuwah sits as king forever. Yahuwah will give strength to his people. Yahuwah will bless his people with shalom.